Hey peeps, Candace here with Kim's Only One Life, and this month's, the June 2023 mail art theme is torn paper. So I have a lot of torn paper here, but really you could take an envelope and just do a little tear of a book page or something and put a piece here, and call that good. It doesn't have to all be torn paper. Just make sure to incorporate a piece of torn paper or some torn paper. So, but what I'm going to do is I am going to incorporate that, but I'm going to take this paper that I've had for a long time, and I'm going to make my envelopes out of this paper so it'll have a given background. I'm going to go score this. there's my envelopes for the June swap. I'm going to take some pictures and add those to those pictures to the swap on Facebook. You can get to the swap by going to the boho group below. If you're interested in swapping and getting 5 pieces of mail art from 5 different people, then go ahead and click the link below and go. Once you go into the group, you'll see the swap is right at the top. So plenty of time to sign up for this one. Should be fun. You will get 5 different ones back. Thanks for watching. Check out my fingers now. They're super inky and sticky. It was a good day.